आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। माई सेल्फ इज धीरज कुमार सिंह, प्रैक्टिसिंग एडवोकेट ऑफ इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट। आई एम मेकिंग एन एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियो फॉर द एडवोकेट्स, स्पेशली फॉर दोज एडवोकेट्स फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम एट द इनिशियल स्टेजेस। Legal remedies under the CPC. First, transfer and withdrawal application before district judge and high court, section 24 CPC. Second, transfer application before Supreme Court, section 25 CPC. Third, institution of suit, section 26 read with order 4. Fourth, consolidation of suit, order 4A UP amendment. Fifth, application for transfer of decree for another court, section 39. Sixth, application for transfer of decree to court in another state, section 40. Seventh, first appeal, section 96. First, up to 25 lakh before district judge. Second, above 25 lakhs or against any order passed by the district judge before high court. 8. Second appeal, section 100. 9th, appeal before Supreme Court, section 109 CPC. 10th, reference to high court, section 113 CPC read with order 46 rule 1. 11th, review, section 114 read with order 47 rule 1. 12th, revision, section 115. 13th, application for restitution, section 144. 14th, request by court to any pleader to address the court, order 1 rule 10A. 15th, application to strike out pleadings, order 6 rule 16. 16th, application to amend the pleadings, order 6 rule 17. 17th, application to return the plaint, order 7 rule 10. 18th, application for rejection of plaint, order 7 rule 11. 19th, set off, order 8 rule 6. 20, counter claim, order 8 rule 6A. 21, written statement, order 8 rule 1. 22, application for execution, order 21 rule 10 and 11. 23, withdrawal of suit, order 23 rule 1. 24, compromise of suit, order 23 rule 3. 25, interpleader suit, section 88 read with order 35. 26, attachment before judgment, order 38 rule 5. 27, temporary injunction in original suit, order 39 rule 1 and 2. 28, contempt petition in violation of temporary injunction order, order 39 rule 2A. 29, appointment of receiver, order 40 rule 1. 30, appeals from original decree, section 96 read with order 41 rule 1. 31, appeals from appellate decree, Section 108 oblique 109 read with order 42 rule 1. 32 appeals from order. Section 104 read with order 43 rule 1. 33 caveat application before civil code. Section 148A CPC. 34 caveat application before high court. Chapter 22 rule 5 of the high court rules. 35 caveat application before high court against contempt petition in violation of High Court's order, Article 215 of the Constitution of India, or under Section 12 of the Contempt of Courts Act. 37 recall application against order to proceed ex parte, Order 9 Rule 7. 38 restoration application, absence of plaintiff, Order 9 Rule 9. 39 application to set aside ex parte decree, Order 9 Rule 13. If you have not subscribed my channel so far, please subscribe my channel and like and share it with others so that I can get motivation and inspiration to make more videos. Thank you watching my video patiently and attentively.